What's up, guys? This is Nick with No Filter Reviews. Today I'm going to be putting a garden hose attachment on an irrigation line. These are just your black half-inch irrigation lines you buy from Home Depot. You get them in big like spools. I ran new irrigation lines to my backyard and my front yard, and I guess a line in between my backyard and my irrigation timer is broken, and I don't really have a ton of time to research it. But since I have all the irrigation running back here, I want to make sure that I can hook a hose up to it and kind of water the whole backyard. So let's go ahead and do this. Should be quick and easy, but I'm going to show you how it's done. Also, the product link for this hose adapter is down in the description. So if you want to scoop it up from Amazon, it's right down below.
Alright,
let's
go. The mess here, but as you can see, sorry about the dog too, but right here I had the line running. I just kind of dug this up. There's a cactus and some other stuff here. I'm prepping this for a garden bed. But I got the line running here. And it runs all the way over here, and this is a mess here, so forgive that too. And it runs over here, and then it runs all the way down to the front yard though. And this is where I'm having some issues. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to tie into probably this right here. I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna put the hose attachment here, and that way when I hook up the hose, this entire flower bed gets watered. So I obviously have some work to do here. I need to do some weeding and stuff like that, so don't judge that. But we're gonna hook a garden hose bib up to our black irrigation line. Alright y'all, I got my bag of hose adapters here. Like I said, the link will be in the description. So yeah, these look very self-explanatory. So you can actually unscrew this, and then it's actually got the where you put the like your black irrigation pipe on it, and then you screw this on there. So you'll run this on the actual black irrigation pipe, feed it on here, and then screw this on, and you should be good to go in theory. Let's test it out. Alright, so right here we're going to cut this. There's better tools for this. You don't have to use scissors. Scissors will work for what we're doing. And then right here, like I was saying, you've got this end. So you put this on the pipe. Okay. So we got it here so far. And now we're just gonna put this on here. And you can get this wet, so it's easier. Stick it on here. Get it on there like that. Just screw this on here. So this should tighten into this. Ooh, it's actually tighter than I expected. Make sure you don't cross thread it like I just attempted to do. My lovely assistant Riley is recording this video.
Don't say it out loud.
Let's go.
That'll be weird.
Alright. Now, it should be tight enough to feed. So let's try it.
It looks like a
We
snake.
got our hose. We're just going to put it on there.
Yeah, like we're feeding a snake with water.
Let's see if it'll actually work.
Yes, we'll have the water.
Alright, as you can see, it's connected. No leaks. I was really surprised that connection didn't have any leaks. But if you come back this way, it's working like a charm. And like I said, I have to do some weeding over here. But look at that. It's watering this whole garden bed now, which is exactly what I'm looking for. I found this video on how to connect a hose connection to a black irrigation pipe useful. If you like this video, please subscribe, and the links to the products are down below. Thank you guys, appreciate you, and have a good day or night.